Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing benefits of natural ingredients. In today's video, we will uncover the top 10 scientifically proven health benefits of onions. You may be surprised to learn just how beneficial this humble vegetable can be. So, let us dive right in. Before we jump into the benefits, let us take a moment to appreciate the onion, a versatile vegetable known for its pungent aroma and distinct flavor. But did you know that onions also possess numerous health-promoting properties? Let us explore them. Benefit 1. Rich in antioxidants. Onions are packed with powerful antioxidants, such as flavonoids and sulfur compounds, that help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Benefit 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Onions contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Studies have shown that these properties may be beneficial in managing conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Benefit 3. Cardiovascular health. Onions are known for their potential cardiovascular benefits. They contain compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit 4. Immune system support. Onions are a great source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. Additionally, the sulfur compounds found in onions possess antimicrobial properties, making them beneficial for fighting off infections. Benefit 5. Digestive health. Onions are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. They also contain a prebiotic called inulin, which serves as food for beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Benefit 6. Bone health. Onions contain compounds that may help improve bone health. Studies suggest that certain compounds found in onions may increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Benefit 7. Blood sugar regulation. Onions have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They also contain compounds that may enhance insulin sensitivity, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Benefit 8. Respiratory health. Onions have been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory conditions such as coughs and colds. The sulfur compounds found in onions have expectorant and antimicrobial properties, helping to soothe the respiratory system and ease congestion. Benefit 9. Eye health. Onions contain nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and sulfur compounds that are beneficial for maintaining good eye health. These nutrients may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Benefit 10. Cancer prevention. Last but not least, onions have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. Some compounds found in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, have been shown to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers. Conclusion. As we conclude our video, it's evident that onions are not only a flavorful addition to our meals but also a powerhouse of health benefits. From their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to their potential to prevent chronic diseases, onions deserve a place in our diet. So, go ahead and incorporate this incredible vegetable into your meals and experience. For safe and natural weight loss, Try IKIGAI Weight Loss. Oriental method that burns 1 pound fat while you sleep. Get it today from the link below in the description. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.